Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Concept Clear. In today's class, we'll discuss about noisy protocols. What is meaning of noisy protocols? Noisy protocols are used in networks where errors will be occurs. Okay, noisy protocols used in where errors occurs during transmission. Where errors will be occur in transmission. Okay, దాని మీనింగ్ ఏంటంటే when data is sending from sender to receiver, if you use noisy protocol, errors will be occurs. Noisy protocols are used to handle the errors that occur during the noisy in channel. Okay, here what are the noisy protocols we have? Means we have three protocols. The first one is the stop and wait ARQ. What is meaning of ARQ? Means automatic request automatic repeat request. Okay, what is meaning of automatic repeat request? Means we'll see here in stop and protocol, it is same as the stop and wait protocol, but here some errors will be occurs. Here some errors will be occur. Okay, if the receiver detects an error, if in a frame, the receiver will discard the frame and not send the acknowledgement. Okay, see here, the sender is sending messages to the receiver, the sender and receiver. Okay, when sender is sending a frame to the receiver, he will send the frame. Okay, and what about this one? Here he received the acknowledgement. After receiving only, the sender send the second frame. Okay, again he receives the acknowledgement. Okay, clear? Next, again here sender sending the frame, but unfortunately that was failed. Then what has to do? Here the sender will waiting for acknowledgement for some particular time. Okay, that means up to 20 milliseconds of time he will wait for the acknowledgement, but the receiver never send the acknowledgement. Why? Because the receiver did not receive the frame 3. So the sender will be wait some particular time, and immediately he will send same frame one more time. After receiving the frame, the receiver will be send the acknowledgement to the frame 3. Okay, after receiving the frame 3, receiver will send the acknowledgement for the frame 3. Okay, suppose when he send the fourth frame also, frame 4, the acknowledgement is stopped here. The acknowledgement is failed to deliver. At the time, the sender will be wait for acknowledgements. If after cutoff time, the sender will be sent the same frame one more time. Frame 4 will be sent to from sender to receiver. At the time receiver receives the same frame, here he will thought that it is a duplicated frame. It is the duplicated frame. When duplicate frame is received by the receiver, he will simply discarded. The duplicated frame will be discarded, and he thought that already the same frame is delivered previously. That time the acknowledgement is failed, so he will discarded this duplicate frame, as well as he will discarded the duplicated frame here, and he will send the acknowledgement for this frame for one more time. Okay, like this the stop and wait protocol will be works in noisy protocol. Here what is the meaning of automatic repeat? Means when the error is occurred, the same frame will be retransmitted. Suppose the frame is received by the receiver, but acknowledgement was not received by the sender. received by the sender. Then the sender waits for 20 milliseconds time. Then the retransmitted frame retransmit the same frame to the receiver. Receiver contains a similar frame. At the time, he will thought that it is a duplicated frame, so he will discard the duplicated frame. Okay. Send the acknowledgement. So duplicated frame. So he thought that the previous acknowledgement is not received. So the same acknowledgement will be resent from receiver to sender. This is about the noisy protocols. In that one, stop and wait protocol ARQ. If you have any doubts, please ask me in comment section. Thank you everyone.